In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable incognito mode in Safari. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Safari, and once it is done, there are two different ways how we can enable incognito or private mode. And the first way is long press right here at that button and then select private. You will be taken to private browsing mode, where you can, as in regular mode, open up new tabs. Here you can tap at that plus sign to create new tab. After that, you can head over to some website. You can use your favorites to quickly get to a particular website. And the cool feature is that on a private browsing mode, it doesn't save any history, any website data, cache, cookies, all that stuff. Now let me show you how we can enable private or incognito mode in a different way. To do that, you need just to tap right here at that button, and after that you will be able, simply by dragging this bottom bar, switch between regular and private mode. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.